Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to turn off the built-in password manager in Google Chrome. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is open, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the window where you'll see three vertical dots. This is Chrome's main menu icon. Go ahead and click on these three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options and settings. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for and click on Settings. This will take you to Chrome's main settings page where you can customize various aspects of your browser experience. The settings page is your control center for managing everything from appearance to privacy and security features. Once you're on the settings page, take a look at the left side panel. You'll see a navigation menu with several categories listed vertically. Find and click on Autofill and Passwords. This section specifically handles all the data Chrome can automatically fill in for you, including payment methods, addresses, and of course, passwords. Next, within the Autofill and Passwords section, click on Google Password Manager. This is Chrome's dedicated password management tool that stores and manages all your saved login credentials. Clicking this will take you deeper into the Password Manager's specific settings and controls. Now, once you're inside the Password Manager interface, look again at the left side of the screen. You'll notice another settings option within this submenu. Click on Settings to access the Password Manager's configuration options. This is where you can control how Chrome handles password saving and auto sign-in features. In this settings area, you'll see an option labeled Offer to save passwords and passkeys. This feature prompts Chrome to ask you whenever you enter a new password on a website if you'd like to save it for future use. Right beside this text, you'll find a toggle button. Click this toggle button to turn it off. When disabled, Chrome will no longer prompt you to save passwords as you browse and log into websites. Additionally, just below that, you'll see another option called Sign In Automatically. This feature allows Chrome to automatically fill in your saved passwords and sign you into websites without any manual input. To fully disable Chrome's password management capabilities, click the toggle button next to Sign In Automatically to turn it off as well. This ensures Chrome won't autofill your credentials or sign you in automatically. And that's it. You've successfully turned off Chrome's built-in password manager, giving you complete control over how and where your passwords are stored. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.